Namaste, sisters and brothers across the world. Welcome to this Path Parayan project that is being hosted by the Ayodhya Research Institute. This project was a brainchild of the Dharminis of Trinidad and Tobago. Dharminis is an informal network of women who are both practitioners of Dharma and teachers of Dharma. So these ladies decided to get together to recite Sundarkand during COVID-19 as a source of inspiration to both themselves and to others. The Path Parayan, the project grew and grew and grew, and eventually now we have joined the diaspora countries, the indentured diaspora countries. That means the countries like during British time, they had sent out workers from India to work on their colony, in their colonies across the world. And so today we have Trinidad, Guyana, Suriname, Mauritius, Fiji, South Africa, and even New York, where people from this first diaspora have gone now to live in New York, and they still carry our traditions in that part of the world. We also have India as the source of our culture, the source of our Dharma. And so India would also be doing, they would be doing day one to start off the Path Parayan. And every other day we have another country performing. So I invite you to take your text with you, your Ramcharit Manas, sit with it, and join along with the countries that are reciting.
रामायण सतकोट या पारा। रामायण कितने रूपों में कहाँ कैसे विस्तारित है, अयोध्या शोध संस्थान से शोध करते हुए जो निष्कर्ष मिल रहे हैं वो अत्यंत आश्चर्यजनक हैं। कलिंग युद्ध के बाद पहली बार भारतीय संस्कृति का माइग्रेशन दूसरे देशों में हुआ। अगर आप भारत के नक्शे को ध्यान से देखें तो जो पूर्वी तट है हमारा, उड़ीसा, तमिल और आंध्र प्रदेश, पश्चिम बंगाल, वहाँ से जो कला हमारी कलिंग युद्ध के बाद 200-300 ईस्वी पूर्व से जो विस्तार हुआ, तो साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में वो सारे कला रूप हमें मिलते हैं।
अयोध्या का हमारा शोध संस्थान रामायण काल से जुड़ी हुई उन सभी ऐसी देश और दुनिया के अंदर बिखरी हुई उन सभी वस्तुओं का संकलन करने में सफल होगी और हम भारत की प्राचीन इस सांस्कृतिक विरासत को देश और दुनिया के सामने रखने के साथ साथ आने वाली पीढ़ी के सामने एक बहुत बड़ा प्रेरणा का केंद्र रखने में सफल होंगे।
भारत के हर राज्य में, हर भाषा में रामलीला का आयोजन होता है और दुनिया के अंदर भी लगभग हर भाषा में, हर देश के अंदर रामलीला का मंचन किसी न किसी रूप में होता है।
राम सब जगह है, राम सबके। इसलिए राम भारत की अनेकता में एकता के सूत्र है। साथियों, दुनिया कितने ही देश राम के नाम का वंदन करते हैं। वहां के नागरिक खुद को श्री राम से जुड़ा हुआ मानते हैं। विश्व की सर्वाधिक मुस्लिम जनसंख्या जिस देश में है वो है इंडोनेशिया। वहां हमारे देश की तरह काकाविन रामायण, स्वर्णदीप रामायण, योगेश्वर रामायण जैसी कई अनूठी रामायण, राम आज भी वहां पूजनीय है। कंबोडिया में रमकेर रामायण है, लाओ में तालाब रामायण है, मलेशिया में हिकायत शेरी राम, तो थाईलैंड में रामाकेन है। आपको ईरान और चीन में भी राम के प्रसंग तथा राम कथाओं का विवरण में
Sadar Pranam. I bring you greetings from Guyana and especially from the Guyana Hindu Dharmic Sabha. It is indeed a pleasure to join you in this effort as collectively we petition Sri Ram and we express Ramayana in various ways peculiar to our different countries. The name Ram has consoled millions around the world. In Guyana, it is no different. The tradition of Ramayana has continued and is presented in diverse but beautiful ways. From the moment our foreparents arrived on the shores of British Guyana, clutching their Ramayana and their Bhagavad Gita, they set forth a tradition that has been maintained by us, their descendants. Ramayana has lived on, and it continues to be held close to the heart of every Hindu in Guyana. Of course, there are diverse presentations of the Ramayana. These presentations have evolved with time, but they continue to hold a special place in the heart of every Hindu child and man and woman. Ramayana's lessons remain pertinent to the modern Hindu as they were to those centuries ago. The Ramayana or the Sri Ramcharitmanas still remains a blueprint or a template by which we can apply the principles to our everyday life. In Guyana, the Ramayana has been presented in many different ways, and I would love for you to have an insight in how we present the Ramayana. Of course, today it is primarily about chanting the Ramayana and chanting from the various cantos of the Ramayana. Chanting has been done from time immemorial, and over time music would have been added. Pandit Ripudaman Prasad is noted for the addition of music to the chanting of Ramayana in Guyana, and he has really taken Ramayana to every nook and corner of this country through Ramayana Yajna. Ramayana Yajnas are very, very popular in Guyana, and it is a way for those who are followers or those who subscribe to Hinduism to gather in satsang and to be exposed to the tenets of Sanatana Vedic Dharma and to listen to the glories and the exploits of Bhagwan Sri Ram as he had his sojourn on earth. The Ramayana Yajna is not the only way in which Ramayana is presented. The Guyana Hindu Dharmic Sabha, through its novel Festival of Art, has been bringing Ramayana to Guyanese through the performance of young people for well over 2 decades. It is not only the chanting of the Ramayana, but a mini depiction of those chants through drama that is staged at our Festival of Art, Kala Utsav. Hundreds of young people every year are involved in this. In addition to that, we have managed to emphasize Ram Leela. This is presented in various ways, and it is growing across the country as our various groups stage it in communities, but it has been presented in dance and drama at the National Cultural Center. Ramayana is also discussed and taught through our Pandits class as we make every effort to ensure that Ramayana is not only for the present, but that it will live on for generations to come. And it is incumbent on us as the Hindus of today to not only preserve the Ramayana, to interpret it, but also to give lessons that are practical and could be implemented by every generation. And we must ensure that they not only hear about the Ramayana, but they are motivated to peruse the pages of the Sri Ramcharitmanas and gravitate to this sacred scriptural text much as we have in our own lives. I present the various ways in which Ramayana would have been presented in Guyana.
Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaj Man Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaj Man Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Nava
जन सुखदायक भरत पाल भगवंता नो द्विज हितकारी जय सुरारी सिंधु सुता प्रिय कंता पालन सुर धरनी अद्भुत करनी मर्म न जाने कोई जो सहज कृपाला दीन दयाल करहु अनुग्रह सोई।
असतो मा सद्गमय
असतो मा सद्गमय
तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय
तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय
मृत्युर्मामृतं गमय
आदिराहि मयेदि रुद्रो यत्रे दक्षिणमुख तेन मा पाहि नित्यम्। धिं तनाना धिं तनाना धिं तनाना धिं तनाना धिं तनाना धिं तनाना धीरे न धीरे तनिं तनाना धीरे न धीरे तनिं तनाना धिं तनाना धिं तनाना धिं तनाना। धिडिता तक धिडिता धिडिता तक धिडिता
मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी द्रवहु सुदशरथ अजर बिहारी राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम। होई है वही जो राम रचिया था वो करी तरक बढ़ावे साथा राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
धीरज धर्म मित्र और नारी आपद काल परखिए चारी।
ओ जही के जही पर सत्य सनेहू सो के ही मिले न कछु संदेहू।
जागी रही भावना जैसी प्रभु मूर्ति देखी दिन कैसी।
मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी द्रवहु सुदशरथ अजर बिहारी
नहीं अनीति नहीं कछु प्रभुताई. Bhagwan Ram says, I cannot, must not, and will not utter one word that is against niti. Niti means convention. If you like, and I have no problem in saying what else it means constitution. That everything in the world is regulated and governed by certain laws. Ramayana. And there are human beings who have to administer these rules and laws. As we talk about Treta Yuga, it was administered by Bhagwan Ram. So he didn't leave a book with us of conventions and of maxims. He translated those rules and conventions into life and reality. So he has left a practical approach to you and I for this world in which we live. I hope you understand where Ramayana stands now. I hope you understand the great value of the Ramayana. It is not just another book. It's not simply a book of story. It is the drama. The Ramayana is the drama of life, if not life itself. So as you look through it, as all of us reflect upon it, we would have been traveling the journey across life as we contemplate and review the events of Ramcharitmanas. Sunahu karahun jo tumahi sohai. Ram Bhagwan speaking says, hear me. Listen to me. But after you would have heard me, you do exactly what you feel like doing. I put that very lucidly. In other words, this katha makes out that Hindu Dharma, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, Shastra, Gita, Mahabharata, Ramayana, none of our scriptural text is imposing. That means you got to do this, or you've got to do that. And if you did not do this or do that, you go to hell. This religion, this dharma, which you and I are involved in, allow us the freedom of choice. There is a simple path. In that path, if followed and pursued, sukha brings happiness, joy, prosperity, comfort, peace, and bliss. What is that part? Bhakti Mori Puran Shruti Gai. Now people sometimes argue, they don't read the Ramayana and they indulge in argument without a foundation. What this Ramayana says tonight is that the pursuance of bhakti is not only found in the Veda. This Prabhupada says it is found in the Veda and the Puran. So all aspects of our scripture give us, and we should take this advice tonight, that we should practice bhakti, which is honest, sincere, genuine worship, prayers and adoration of God.
रघुकुल रीति सदा चली आए प्राण जाऊं बरु बचन जाए
ऋषि को वशिष्ठ जी बुलाया और पुत्र के हेतु पुत्रेष्टि यज्ञ कराया। मुनि ने भक्ति पूर्वक आहुति दे, तब अग्निदेव कीर हाथ में लिए प्रकट हुए। Then Vashishta summoned the sage Shringi and had a noble sacrifice performed by him for the birth of a son to the king. When the sage devotedly offered oblations into the sacred fire, the fire god appeared. With an offering of rice boiled with milk in his hands, said the fire god, whatever Vashishta has contemplated for you, that object is fully accomplished.
जय जय गिरिवर राज किशोरी, जय जय गिरिवर राज किशोरी, जय महेश मुख चंद चकोरी, जय महेश मुख चंद चकोरी।
पूजत जान अजान में व्यापक पोत सहे रसिया, पति रामचंद्र की जय शरण।
गौतम नारी श्राप बस उपला देह धरि धी गौतम नारी श्राप बस उपला देह धरि धी चरण कमल रज चाहती कृपा करहु रघुभी बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम।
ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेरसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पते नमः। हरि ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। रघुबर धर से हर्ष कपि आरतने बल पुंज पुरत शरीर नयन जग कहे राम पर कंज। साज जाने दस कंठ धर भवन गयउ बिल भार। मनोरथ रावण की बहुरी कह समुझार। बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम बोलो राम। कंद समुझि मन तज हुकुम करी। कंद समुझि मन तज हुकुम करी। सोहन स्मर तुम ही रघुपति। सोहन स्मर तुम ही रघुपति। राम लोचन राम लोचन लेखन जाई। सो नहीं रागे बसी मन साई। सो नहीं रागे बसी मन साई। आयौ कबीर मेरी असंख्या। आयौ कबीर मेरी असंख्या। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। रखवाले हरि विघ्न उजारा। रखवाले हरि विघ्न उजारा। देखत तोहि अचत निहारा। देखत तोहि अचत निहारा। सारी सकल पुर सारी सकल पुर कीन्ह सिसारा। कह रहा बल सर्व तुम्हारा। कह रहा बल सर्व तुम्हारा। अब गति निशाना रचनि हार। पति रघुपति नृपति जनिमानहु अग जगन्नाथ अतुल बलचानहु अग जगन्नाथ अतुल बलचानहु श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय पति रघुपति नृपति जनिमानहु अग जगन्नाथ अतुल बलचानहु अग जगन्नाथ अतुल बलचानहु पान प्रताप जान माहीसा पान प्रताप जान माहीसा दास नहीं मानीसा दास नहीं मानीसा जनक सभा जनक सभागल नित भूपाला रहे तुम हो बर अतुल विसारा रहे तुम हो बर अतुल विसारा श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम सब